Today, family, we're going to make Cajun salmon and linguine. Ooh. We're adding some broccoli and some grape tomatoes in a rich, creamy Cajun sauce. In a pot of water, we're going to boil our linguine according to the directions. In our skillet, we're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of butter. Once hot, we're going to add our salmon, which has been already seasoned with a Cajun seasoning sauce on both sides with garlic and Old Bay seasoning. We added cut up bell peppers and onions to our skillet. We turned our salmon once it was blackened on one side. Added a little heat from the crushed red pepper seeds. We diced up some broccoli that we had and added it to the pan. Added a tablespoon of minced garlic. Seasoned it with our Cajun seasoning, about half a teaspoon. Added half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Cut up our grape tomatoes and added it to the skillet. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Let simmer for 10 minutes and then add in our pasta. You're about to enjoy a dish that the whole family's going to fall in love with. Cajun salmon and linguine. We kept our salmon warm in the oven, so now we're going to plate this up and enjoy. Oh, so good. See you in the next video.